Hello friends and welcome to day 22 of Vlogmas. Yes, there are only a handful of days left, which as I say in every vlog now, I can't believe it. Honestly, December has flown by. But for this morning, it's actually 1:12 right now. I might not have done anything productive this morning. We got up, I slept in a bit, and then I was just relaxing, ate breakfast, and then I completely forgot to edit the vlog for today. So that went up more so around 11 instead of 10. And then we ate lunch. We plan on baking cookies later, so I do intend on filming that. But it's going to be a crafty afternoon, which is exactly what I need and exactly what I want. I need to tidy up. I'll show you guys the floor again very soon. It's embarrassing, but after this clip. I need to film the Patreon real-time process video for today, because I thought I had one, but it was just a random process video, so that's not what I need to have. I mislabeled the video. I thought it was real time, it's not. So I need to do a real-time process video and then 2 more regular process videos just for this week, because I don't think I want to film like actually close to Christmas. I don't think. I'm not sure, but I'm going to film 3 videos right now. Started Vlogmas finally. I know it's late, but I just wasn't in the mood to vlog or do anything. Still wearing my Star Wars shirt from yesterday. Still thinking about that movie though. Just thinking about it, but we'll see where we end up. I asked you guys to leave comments on the last video, ask like if you'd seen it yet and what you thought of it. But I'm sure a lot of people are seeing it this upcoming week since there's vacation and stuff now. But tomorrow's a work day. I'm back at work. So I want to get some scrappy stuff done now so I don't have to worry about it while we're actually celebrating the holidays and enjoying time together. I'm going to put some YouTube on and start with cleaning. So I'm going to flip you guys around and show you guys the mess that I still have to clean. So while I did sort all these die cuts, I actually don't have time right now to put them all away into their designated, color spots inside my binders of die cuts. So I'm going to lay these in the exact same container they were in, except just keep them, like their colors with themselves. If that makes sense. Like I'm just going to try to keep them all together. And then I have to clean up this pile of stuff. And then there's the dreaded floor. I'm going to finally close up all my Christmas stuff. I'm not going to use it anymore. I might send out some New Year's cards, but I can really just do that with any paper because I do have some New Year's stamps. So focus on closing these up and, just putting those back in their system. And then I'll be able to walk to my desk a lot better, because this is ridiculous. I can make this span though, like from there to there. I can do that. I'm a tall person, so that's something I can do. It's just dangerous. So I'm going to clean these up right now while I watch some YouTube and really get down to crafting today. And I will give you guys sneak peeks of the layouts as I work on them. Table is a bit more clear and ready for some crafting, at least the part that'll be in frame. And then I tidied up the Christmas stuff. Christmas stuff gone. Those bottom 2 bins are Christmas. That stuff I need to go through, and that stuff I need to go through over there. So, but look at that. We can walk again. It's walkable. It definitely needs to be vacuumed. There's paper bits all over the floor, and I'm sure some glitter or sequins. I don't know what I'm going to do with this still. I kind of want to repaint it. It's just an organizer, but I don't know where to put it. Still haven't decided. We'll find out. But for now, I need to pick out some photos to scrapbook and get these process videos done. So I managed to complete 1 layout so far. And it's this cat one. I'm just going to show you guys the top of it because I want you guys to watch the video too. Looks like I have to add some adhesive. But I did a multicolored title, which is not something I normally do. So I'm really happy I stepped out of my comfort zone for that one. However, while doing this layout, my camera just kept cutting out, and it doesn't happen when I'm filming like this. It usually just happens when I'm doing process videos or leave it on long for a time lapse, but it kept cutting out at like 1 minute, minute 30, 2:30, just random different times. And I changed out the SD card to see if that was the issue. Maybe my SD card's malfunctioning and I need to stop using that one because it's getting a beating for Vlogmas. So I'm trying out this one. Hopefully all is well. So far so good with this clip and the last clip. But I'm going to try to film another process video. But until I know the camera's set and not doing that thing anymore, which it's done before, and I don't know how it just fixed itself, but did it before when we did the boat time lapse, the light boat parade, it was doing that same issue where it just shut off randomly. Annoying, but the cat layout is done and that will be up this week. Not Christmassy at all, but that's okay. So it's going to go in the pile. And probably do have to add some extra adhesive to it, but I'm just trying to get out some extra videos today. And if my camera is fixed, I'm going to film the Patreon video last, which should also go up today, because usually I upload those on Sundays. But I like having the flexible time, you know, not having to have it up at 11 or anything. It just works better for me, and being able to do custom things for them. But hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get both of those process videos done. But I am going to clean up this cat related stuff and put that away, because I don't need to do another cat layout. I've been doing like only pet layouts recently, and I'm not sure why. I think it's because a lot of the photos I've printed, I'm not sure how I want to do those projects yet, whether it be a traveler's notebook, which I really, really want to try, or if I want to do a whole album, like for our moving. Hi, puppy. If I want to do a moving album for when we move down here, I'm just not sure. And those are definitely things I have to sit down and think about, you know, and start putting into my goals and stuff, which I just haven't really had the time to do so. I mean, I say I relax a lot, so I guess I probably do have time and I'm just not using it properly. But I will update you guys when I start the next layout. Just completed the second layout, and I'm kind of torn with how this one turned out. I used a non-traditional nature color scheme for this one. So there's two pictures of one random day I went to the park. And I used like teal, navy, and pink, and then a punch of yellow for some of the accents, thanks to that Dear Lizzie sticker sheet. But I mean, I think it works. I think the pink works well because there's some red buildings in the photos. And there's a lot of green in the photo, so I didn't really want to do green, so I have like a minty background. I used this random Cricut cut that I had for years, literal years. And then a ton of these Dear Lizzie stickers really helped bring the whole thing together, and then some random bits from my stash. But these NFT papers were really nice. This is actually two 6x6 papers merged together. They're actually a tiny bit off, but I think from far away it still gives the illusion of a diagonal stripe, which I love. And I like that the weight is actually at the top, so I can like either put a journaling card here or just do journaling strips how I want. And I'll have to glue these down. I usually don't do that on camera anymore because my hands get so sticky afterwards. So. But I am done crafting for now. I only got 2 done. Since my camera is acting up a bit, I'm not going to do the real-time process video. Maybe one of these will actually become a Patreon video, so they can still get a video today. But I messaged them in the chat, in my Discord chat that I have with them, so they can decide. And, you know, I know a lot of people are busy for the holidays anyway, so they might prefer next week, you know, on a different day. But Sam and I are actually going to go make cookies now, so I'm going to go scrub the glue that I do have on my fingers off, and I will do a fun time lapse for cookie making. I've already had a little bite, but here are our peanut butter blossom cookies, and they are delicious. Dough is packed up and ready to go into the fridge before we roll it out and chill it at a later date. But the sugar cookies are ready to go. You know it's going to be good icing when you use a whole pound of confectioner sugar in it. Let's do this. At the store, we couldn't actually find a normal bag of Kisses that wasn't like, you know, way too many that we would need. So we ended up getting one of these. And of course, it didn't have enough Kisses in it, but we did end up just using Reese's and Rolos on top as well. So we'll see how those taste when we start handing those out. But this was the second batch. We're leaving some plain in case there's people who don't like chocolate. And, you know, I think this will work out well. Sadly, now it's time to clean up the mess. And I do apologize for all the dirty dishes that were in the background. It's been a long day baking, making, and eating. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed day 22 of Vlogmas. Again, I can hardly believe that it is so close to Christmas. I hope you guys have had a great weekend leading up to the holiday, and as you start celebrating the holiday over these next few days and into next week, I hope you guys enjoy yourself. You know, take some time for yourself. Take some time to take in the moments. Grab some photos if you can, because I know a lot of people forget to take photos around this time of year, so it's really, really important. I did forget to take photos while we were baking, but luckily I have some video clips that I can steal some screenshots of. So I hope you guys enjoyed baking with us today, and some more baking will come when we start doing the other batch of cookies. But we have peanut butter blossoms done, and now we have our sugar cookie dough and icing ready to go. So we can roll those out on a different day and start baking them. But overall, a good, relaxing Sunday. Didn't go anywhere. Watched some new TV. We started watching the TV show The Wire that's on Amazon Prime right now, so we're checking that out. I did the first episode. Looks decent. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. We watched Ant-Man, a little bit of Jungle Book. Disney Plus is really addicting. You just throw something on and it's on, and it just keeps going. There's so many great options on there. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow and for another vlog. Bye, guys!